ও চ্যাট বলি বন্ধ যাতা ও বাবা। তুচু তুচু
Okay, I was telling there is molten rock inside the earth at the center, and there are earth crust, and these crusts are divided into different plates, and these plates are floating on the liquid substance under the earth, and these plates keep on moving. And when they keep on moving, then when certain kind of force is created in between them, then due to that force, the plates, they strike with each other. When the plates strike with each other, then one maybe overlaps with each other like this, another may go down like this, another may push each other in this way forcefully, and at this time the below one, it cracks or it breaks. The plates which is overlapping, because of the weight of this above plate, this below plate either breaks or cracks, and due to this, the powerful energy is released from the earth outside. That is the cause of earthquake. And sometimes volcanic eruption, when volcano has to come out, lava has to come out, then at the time also a big bang takes place, and because of this also nearby places they shake. That is the region of earthquake. Another, so distribution of earthquakes. Earthquakes are common along fault lines and plate boundaries, which are the weaker zones of the Earth's surface. Earthquakes are common in the fault line, in between the fault line, that is fault line or the weaker zones. You see these plates, there are several plates, they are joined like this together. And this joint place, when the fault is, when the plates are joined together, this joint is known as fault line. Our country is also at the joint of these plates. That's why there is a danger of earthquake always. So when these two places meet at one place, then this meeting point is the joint line, and that joint line is the fault line. And this fault line is very weak, and when earthquake takes place, this fault line, especially fault line, always, that is important part when the earthquake comes, because in the fault line, one after another, it goes down or up. So at this fault line, those countries are there, they are in earthquake prone zone. And earthquakes and volcanoes, earthquakes and volcanoes occur in the same region. The earthquake zones of the world are the region surrounding Pacific Ocean, also known as Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ocean is surrounded by the plate, and this Pacific Ocean surrounding plate is known as Ring of Fire. So this place, in this Ring of Fire, it is very dangerous. That is a very dangerous place, Ring of Fire, which is around the Pacific Ocean. The Rocky Mountain Range, the Andes Mountain Range, Southeast Asia, Hindu Kush and Suleiman Ranges, Himalayan Range of Asia, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, and the Alps of Europe. These are the places where tectonic plates join each other, and these joint places are called earthquake prone zone. So they are in Pacific Ring of Fire, they are in Atlas Mountain Range, they are in Andes Mountain Range, they are in Southeast Asia, Hindu Kush Mountain, Suleiman Range, Himalayan Range of Asia, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, and the Alps Mountain Range of Europe. So these places have joint plates, that is fault line, and because of these tectonic plates are joined in these lines, these places are dangerous from the earthquake point of view. Earthquakes occurred in Nepal. You know, there were many earthquakes in Nepal. Nepal was hit by earthquakes on 2nd March 1990, 5 Baisakh 2045, 12th and 29th Baisakh 2072, very severely. Big earthquakes in Nepal are these. They were very much terrible and caused huge loss of life and property. The massive earthquake occurred on 12 Baisakh 2072 BS was very much devastating. The hypocenter of this earthquake was in Barpak village of Gorkha. It was measured 7.8 Richter scale in magnitude. This was the highly destructive earthquake which Nepal faced within about 80 years period. So 7.8 magnitude Richter scale earthquake that hit Nepal on 12 Baisakh 2072 BS. Its hypocenter was at Barpak in Gorkha district. So it was the devastating earthquake that faced after about 80 years in Nepal. It caused unprecedented loss of life and property, mainly affected the western and central region of Nepal. The houses, cultural